Hi guys, this mini lesson is on multiplication and division models, OA1 and 2. And your standard says, I can interpret products and quotients of whole numbers. Okay, so first, let's talk about what it's asking you to do, interpret. What does interpret mean?
I know.
Well, interpret means to represent. So you can represent those products and those quotients of the whole numbers with a model.
How, Mommy?
Products, what does products mean? Well, remember, products are the answers, or the answer to a multiplication equation. And then quotients, they are the answer
Mommy, I have to
to
say something.
a division problem. Or equation. Whole numbers as we've talked about before are numbers without fractions. And I have set this up to where you can see each strategy for both all for multiplication and division. So for multiplication with equal groups, that first number is always going to be your number of groups. First, drawing 3 groups. Okay, because I have three groups of 4. So then what I need to do is put 4 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So how many do we have all together now? 12. So 3 times 4 equals 12. Let's go over to our array. The first factor, because remember the numbers that we're multiplying are factors. The first factor is going to be number of rows. And your second factor is going to be number in each row. Remember, rows go this way. So 1, 2, 3. The number in each row is 4. So we're going to make sure we have 4 in each of these 3 groups, or these 3 rows that we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 3 groups of 4. Here, how many X's do we have all together in our array? 12. All right, repeated addition. You can do it 2 different ways. You can do 3 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can add 4 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So either way, you're going to end up with 12 for your answer. Strategy is your number line. So hops, number of each hop. So we're going to start with 0. the number in each hop is 4. So, and we're making 3 of them. So that's going to mean that our first hop, 1, 2, 3, 4, is going to end up being 4. So we made 3 hops of 4. Give you the product of 12. Okay? And remember, these are our factors. These numbers are factors. And this is our product. We're going to do the same strategies, but with division. So we're going to use the same equation, 18 divided by 3, for all of these strategies, equal groups or equal sharing. Then we know that our 18 here, which is our dividend, is going to be the total. Okay? And then we know that our divisor here is our number of groups. What we don't know is how many that are in each group. So we will start that by drawing our 3 groups. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is I am going to equally share all of the 18 that I have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I should have the same in each. So I have my quotient. It's going to be 6. So there's going to be 6 in each group. Okay, so now the same thing applies over here for our array. So I still have my total, but this is going to be my number of rows. So if I have 3 rows, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw my 3 rows. Now I need to use all 18 because that's my total. So I'm at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each row. Okay? All right. Repeated subtraction. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to start with your total. So I'm going to start with 18. And then I'm going to repeatedly subtract my 3. Hence the word repeated subtraction. 18 minus 3 is going to give you 15. Okay? Take my 15. I'm going to keep going. 15 minus 3 is 12.
12.
12 minus 3 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, so I have repeatedly subtracted by 3 until I got 0. All right, well, that's all fine and well, Miss Porter, but how do I get my answer of 6? Well, you're going to add together how many times did you subtract. So I'm going to do that by circling my subtraction signs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I subtracted 6 times.
6.
Which is why 6 is your quotient. All right, and then for our number line, we're going to kind of do the opposite of our multiplication. We are increasing by value. So with multiplication, we were going this way. Okay? But then in division, we're going to be going backwards. We're going to start at our total here. And then we're going to we're going to go backwards by groups of 3. So that means we don't know how many jumps that we're going to be taking. So this is going to be our number of jumps. Number in each jump or hop. And then, of course, here's our total. That's what we're going to start with. So we're going to start with 18. Sorry. All right, so 1, 2, 3. There's one jump. 1, 2, 3. 2 jumps. 1, 2, 3. Jump number 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump number 4. 1, 2, 3. Jump number 5. And 1, 2, 3. Jump number 6. Now you should land nicely on 0 if you are going by the number that you are jumping. Now, if you do not end with 0, that means that you have either labeled your number line wrong, maybe you accidentally skipped a number, or you accidentally may have done 2 in a hop, or maybe accidentally 4 in a hop on accident. So if you go back through your steps, more than likely you can find what messed you up. So that is going to lead you to your quotient again being 6. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions. I hope that made sense for you.